System File Checker is a built-in Windows diagnostic tool that scans, verifies, and repairs corrupted or missing protected system files using a trusted local cache. SFC can be ran often as part of a monthly maintenance procedure. If your Windows computer is not acting properly, give this a try to repair it. Next to the Start button, enter this into the Start bar. The following options will be shown. From the options, click on Run as Administrator. The command prompt will then open. If you are asked for permissions, click Yes. From the command prompt, type in the following: SFC/scan now, then click Enter. Once complete, you should see the following if you have no Windows file errors. If you have problems, you may receive a message that errors were found and repaired. How often should I run the System File Checker? When you suspect you have system file corruption or part of your monthly maintenance. Thank you for visiting Windows Fix Pro web series. Like us and let us know how we can help you with your computer problems. Have a great day.